Bollinger Bands %B displays the information from Bollinger Bands with the closing price as a percentage of the upper and lower Bollinger Bands. When closing price is equal to the lower band, the %B indicator is at 0. When closing price is below the lower band, the %B indicator will be below 0. When closing price is equal to the upper band, the %B indicator will be equal to 100%. And when closing price is higher than the upper band, %B will be over 100%. If closing price is equal to the median of the Bollinger Bands, %B would be 50%. The following series of real chart examples will explore the differences and similarities between this %B indicator and regular Bollinger Bands. Some may find they prefer one over the other under certain conditions, while it may not make much of a difference to other people. The chart examples will be from various markets and time ranges. So no matter when you watch this or which particular charts you choose to apply the %B indicator on, information from this series can be of use to you.